everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today will be a quick video. I am doing a reveal of the Little Red Dress Project 2022, which is ran by Renata here, the Twilight Stitcher here on YouTube, and of course over on Instagram. And her co-host this year is Talisha, Creativity by T. And so yeah, this is, I think this does qualify, but if not, it was fun to make. I needed it anyway, but I'm happy to finally reveal to you what I made. It's been made. I've worn it a few times now because I wore it for the first time on December 2nd. Yeah, it was the first Saturday of December because I went to a holiday party hosted by Roz with So Much Fabric, the Sewing Fashionistas. I've talked about that. She's here in the Houston area. And every other month she has a in-person event, but then at the end of the year it's always a Christmas get-together holiday party. And so yeah, I made this to wear over the deer and doe dress that I made. I will be popping up pictures in short video here, but first let me say this. Okay, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Here's the deal. One person mentioned that and maybe it was more than one person, but my videos, I guess, notifications aren't showing up for you guys, and some of you are missing videos or notifications and whatnot. And so I don't know, maybe YouTube is going through that thing again. I know this was a thing before that was happening to a lot of different YouTubers. And so thanks for pointing out, because I, you know, haven't really been paying attention to that. But since it was mentioned, for those who feel like you've been missing the notifications, missing the videos, make sure you are subscribed. If you are subscribed, unsubscribe and resubscribe, but also hit the bell so you do not miss an upload. Maybe that's a thing. Maybe that has to kind of re-trigger things if you have, if you're experiencing that. I appreciate, especially during the holiday season, everybody's not going to catch every single video that you put up and put out and everything. I will have a video coming up on Christmas Day. Yes, another make. It's a repeat. I'm actually gonna have an extra video this month. I'm gonna have a video the last Wednesday of the month, and that is the Asha dress by Style Art. But there's gonna be a repeat I want to do because I want to use this fabric so bad. When I got it, I'll tell you all about that next week. But anyway, so yeah, let's jump into it. And thank you for everybody who left your comments, feedback on the solar panels, your experience with having solar panels and all of that. And yeah, we did listen to the presentation, and it is definitely not something we want to invest in at this time. For those who don't know, my 9 to 5, I am an auditor, compliance manager, and I have experience with doing fraud investigations, fraud reviews, all of that type of stuff. And so I'm always very particular about stuff that's not regulated, and the solar industry right now, especially down here, is not regulated. And when we spoke, and then let's not add, the biggest help I have with things like that is I do have a strong spirit of discernment. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, I felt I needed to zoom out a little bit. So yeah, when he was talking and everything, and then the investment is like $30,000 for that. It was just like, and then he was telling us the companies that were sued and then closed. A few of those companies came by here just 2 months ago, and to hear that they've been sued and closed down and all of that, and they've installed people's solar panels around here. No. So no, that is definitely not something we are investing in at this point. And again, because I, you know, just the nature of what I do, is just it's a no. So anyway, so when I made the Metra blazer, you all remember I've made this before. I made this back in, not too long after it was first released. It was probably in was it 2021? It could have been. I'm thinking it was. Yes, it was 2021. I think that's when it was originally released. but I'll link to the video up here in the iCards if you want to go check it out. But I made this specifically I made the long sleeve for work, and it was because they wanted to add my picture to the company website and all this other different stuff. And so you know, I had to be business wear and all of this different thing. And so yeah, I made it initially then. I've since given that away because it got way too big. And so I decided for the little red dress project, I would make it again, but I would make it in a short sleeve. That's pretty much the only thing that I modified. And let me give my notes real quick. As a matter of fact, I made it May 20th. 2021. So it's been a little over a year. At the time I made it the first time, I made a size 2X, and then I did the welt pocket and everything before. So anyway, I should have put the link up in the iCard. Go ahead and check that video out if you're interested how that worked out. Definitely loved it. And then we have now this year I've made it again, so I had to go down a size. I went down to an extra large, and the fabric that I used, you all saw this was in a haul video recently. So if you missed that video, did I show this in that video? No, it was a plans video. I'll link that up there as well, but I did just have a haul. So if you missed my haul, go back and watch the haul. I'll make sure that video pops up at the end of this video, that way you can click on it and go watch a haul from Black Friday and all of that. Speaking of which, by the time you're seeing this, I would have already posted it on Instagram, but I received my Mimi G iron. And so yeah, I did an unboxing over there on Instagram. So if you're interested, because I was talking BHM pattern designers as well, registrations still open, seats still available, link and all of that will be down below. Of course I had to throw that in. But anyway, this is that waffle knit that I purchased from Joann Fabrics. The only modification, like I said, that I would make, that I did make, is on the sleeve, and I added elastic to the sleeve. So what I am wearing it with is McCall's. I can't remember, I always can't remember, but I've made a couple of them. The McCall is sleeveless. Now, mind you, you all have been seeing my videos, I think over the past few weeks, where I'm talking about it's been 80 degrees, it's been humid, hot here. Hello, it's cooled down big time. I think the high today is like 55, and I think today will be the first time that we're probably going to turn on our heat, because the low is supposed to be in the 30s. So yeah, the heat is coming on. But anyway, this is sleeveless, this top. I'll leave a link to this video because I don't remember. It's a McCall, because it has a little cowl there. And I said, let me wear this together and see how this looks. And I love it, because you all know the goal over the past few things I've been making and going forward for sure is definitely better at coordinating pieces than I have been in the past. But yeah, and so what I did was, I thought I was going to do something a little bit more voluminous with the sleeve, but I'm happy I didn't, because initially I was going to slash and spread the sleeve a little bit to give me a little bit more volume up here at the top, but I'm glad I didn't do that, because it works out just fine. Let me see if I can, yeah, see that elastic right there? I just put, this is, I think, 1 inch elastic. And so this is how it looks. I just have on some ready to wear pants. But yeah, the top and the blazer, I love it. I love it. I love the drape of it. I love the weight of this knit. Let me see if I can share it with you. Yeah, you can see the waffle knit, the pattern in there. I think it works. I think it's absolutely perfect. So no complaints. This is my official entry into the challenge. So make sure that you are following the hashtag Little Red Dress Project 22 and see what everybody else is doing. And I believe you have until the end of the month, towards the end of the month. It would have been on the graphic I shared with you. I'll pop it back up. But to reveal what you have made and share that and tag. Make sure you're tagging Renata and Creativity by T, so yeah, they can catch your entry. But anyway, love, love, love. And there are a couple other things that I will be making that I am going to be able to wear this over, and that was the whole point of this here, to have something to wear over some things. So that is it. That's all I have today. Again, stay tuned for next week Sunday. That'll be a repeat, something I've been wanting to make for a while, and when I saw this fabric, you'll hear about that next week. Because when I saw this fabric, I was like, I know exactly what I want that to be. And so, but anyway, all right, everybody, you all have a blessed and fantastic week. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. Again, same review, easy make, easy instructions, beautiful pattern. If you need something really quick like this to make, I will leave a link to the pattern down below. It is an affiliate link. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to mention. And links, of course, to BHM Pattern Designers live event, registration link, and all of that will be down below as well. All right, everybody, you all have a blessed rest of your week, and we will see you next Sunday, which I know is Christmas, but I'm still gonna put up a video. All right, everybody, bye.